Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Rajnikant and today's video we're gonna see how we can find highest salary employee for each department using Java 8 streams. Okay, for example, I have a list of employee objects. And I want to find out for each department who is the employee who is getting higher salary. Okay, for each department I want to find the employee object having highest salary. Okay, so that one we'll see using Java 8 streams. So if you are aware about that, in SQL we do have grouping by function to achieve this kind of functionality. Okay, so in Java 8 onwards the same functionality were present. So the same grouping by one streams method is there, and we can achieve the same thing using that method. Okay, so let's see how we can do this one in practically. So already I have created a basic project. If you'll see, it's my IntelliJ idea. Okay, so this is my main class where I have a main method, and already I have created a employee class. So where you will see name, age, salary and department is there. Okay, and here I have a employee constructor and getter status and toString as well I have provided. Okay, now let's see, and here I have created some 8 to 9 objects with different parameters: name, age, different salary and department. Then I have added this employee objects to this employee list. I have created an array list and I am adding all those employees to that list. Now let's see how we can how we can use group by to achieve to find the highest salary employees of each department. Okay, so there are different ways are there to achieve that one. So let's see one approach. Here I have provided multiple approach. Let's see the last one, this one. Okay, so first what we need to do, we need to apply streams. So any operations we want to do on top of collection, then we can apply streams. Okay, so employee list, then stream. So once we'll apply this employee list, once we have done this stream, we'll get stream of employees. Okay, then we are doing here collect, then we are collecting, and inside that one what we are passing, so collectors dot grouping by. Okay, so whatever the streams of employee is coming, so group by to those streams of employee. Okay, so what is the key on which key based will group by? So we'll grouping them using department. So based on employee department, group those employees. Okay, so based on this department, then so here department will be the key, and what will be the value? At the end we will get a map, right? At the end we will get a map. So department, in the string department will be the key, and what will be the value? As we are grouping by department, so department name will be the key. Okay, and the value should be the highest, the employee object having highest salary of that department. Okay, so here we are applying grouping by, and we are providing that key on which key, on based which key it will group by. So this department name we are providing here. Then what we are doing, we are identifying the highest salary. Okay, so the highest salary, we are identifying the employee having highest salary. So how we are doing that one? Collectors and collecting, and then why we are requiring or why we are doing, I will explain. So in collectors, then we are collecting, and inside that one what we are doing, collectors dot max by comparator dot comparing int and employee get salary. So this is method reference. So what we are saying here, find the maximum, okay, find the maximum salary. So find the employee object whose salary is maximum, and here we are passing that comparator, okay, comparator dot comparing integer, and here we are doing employee dot get salary, or we can say this is method reference. So it will find the employee object having maximum salary, okay, then here it will return. So the return type of this max by is optional. If you'll see here, optional, okay, so we'll get optional of employee, okay. So if you'll get this from max by, we'll get optional of employee. So to get the actual value, not optional, we are doing here and then. First collect, then apply this function, apply this lambda. So what we'll get here in collectors.max by, we'll get the optional of employee. Then after collecting, what we are doing, then apply this function and get the actual employee. From optional we'll get the employee, right? So the same thing we are doing here, okay. So at the end, what we'll get, a department ID, department name, and what is the employee having highest salary for the department, okay. So hope you got a crystal clear idea what exactly we are doing here, okay. And so here what we are doing, based on the department we are identifying the highest salary of, I mean, what is that employee having highest salary. But if you want to see what exactly the highest salary, not the entire employee object, then we can just modify the little bit here and there. Just see, in employee.get we are getting the employee object, right? So on top of that one, employee object dot get salary we can do. Clear? Okay. So anyway, I will post this code to my GitHub account, and I will share this link to you people, so that you can take this code and you can try by your own. Okay. So the same thing here we are doing in a different way. So if you see here, collectors dot reducing. So the same employee list dot stream, then collect, and collectors dot grouping by. In the grouping by, what we are doing, we are taking the department name as a key. Based on the department name, it will group. Then we need to have a function which will find the highest salary, find the employee object who have highest salary, okay. So the same way, to achieve the same way, same thing, I have used this one, collectors dot reducing operation, and in reducing operation I have provided here a binary operator dot max by, and here we are providing that a comparator, the salary comparator we are providing, and it will find the highest employee having highest salary, okay. So hope you got a crystal clear idea about how to find the employees of each department having highest salary, okay. You can provide your valuable comments in the comment section, or if you have any query you can put the thing in the comment section, okay. So thank you for watching guys, have a nice day.